Welcome to Pre-Math. Today we are going to see addition of 3 rows and 3 columns. Three, 4, 2 plus 3, 2, 1 plus 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2. Simply add 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So last digit write it as 10. The answer is 1075. Second sum, 496 plus 678 plus 364. Write it down. 496 678 364. The answer is 6 plus 8 we get 14. 14 plus 4 we get 18. So 8 will be at the down and 1 will be at the top. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 7 17. Here plus 6. 7 plus 6 13. The answer is 23. Write it 3 here and 2 will be here. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 3 we get 5 15. Write it as 15. The answer is 1538. Third sum, 444 plus 666 plus 888. What is the answer? 666 888. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 8 18. 8 will be at the down and 1 will be at the top. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 8 18 plus 1 19. 19 we get 9, balance 1 at the top. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 8 18 plus 1 19. The answer is 1998. Fourth sum, 398 plus 577 plus 788. 398 577 788. What will be the answer? 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 8 23. 3 at the down and 2 will be at the top. Here 2 plus 9 11. 11 plus 7 18. 18 plus 8 26. 6 balance 2. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 7 17. The answer is 1763.